Most of you may know how to make a pepperoni pizza, but is you doing it the right way though? Let me show you how I make the pepperoni pizza, and let me show you why do I think that this is the right way to do it. Okay, now the trick to make the right pepperoni pizza, or at least the way that I think is the best way to do it, is to put the chili salami under the mozzarella. After you put the pomodoro sauce, the pizza sauce, you put the chili salami, and after you put the mozzarella on top. And I will explain in just a second why. And as for an example, I must show you what will happen with this slice of salami. And why I think it is better to put the salami under the mozzarella. So you can clearly see, guys, that the salami that we put on top of the mozzarella, it burned out. And to be honest, I don't like the look of it, and I wouldn't like to eat a pizza like that. You can barely see the other slices of salami, but you can see if I grab it like this. And this other slice of salami that we put on top of the mozzarella came out not so nice, as you can see it. As you can see, this is a pepperoni pizza, and as I was saying, I really prefer to put the salami under the mozzarella than on top of it, because otherwise it will burn, and for me it's not the best way to do it. I really hope you enjoy it. This was a quick trick to make a pepperoni pizza. Until the next time, from Rosbrano, bye bye.